Let's see how to export StruBIM Steel model information to manufacturing files in STEP format. To do this, from the program's general interface, we'll use the Export option in the top left-hand corner and select STEP. The STEP format, as the standard defined by ISO 10303 is known, allows the exchange of data between assisted design, engineering and manufacturing systems. After selecting the option, in the window that appears, we activate the boxes depending on whether we wish to export the sections, plates, bolts, welds, or anchors. When we click Accept, the Save As window opens, where we choose the name and the path where the file will be saved. When clicking Accept again, the program opens the selected directory, displaying the exported file in STEP format. Additionally, when we share information with BIMserver.center, we can configure the generation of these files by checking the corresponding boxes to add them to the contribution that will be created in the project folder in the cloud.